Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to be checking out the best 5 electric toothbrushes you can buy right now. We made this list best in our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed the best on type of features and price. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links on the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Oral-B Genius X Limited Electric Toothbrush with Artificial Intelligence, 1 Replacement Brush Head, 1 Travel Case, Midnight Black. About this item. Oral-B Genius X Limited with Artificial Intelligence has learned from thousands of human brushing behaviors and instantly recognizes your brushing style. Gives you daily personal coaching to cover all areas evenly with the right amount of pressure for the right time. Bluetooth technology to connect it to your smartphone. Includes rechargeable handle, 1 brush head, a charger and a travel case. Color may vary. Number 2. Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush, Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush with Pressure Sensor, Black HX368124. About this item. Removes up to 5x more plaque versus a manual toothbrush. Pressure sensor and 2 intensity settings protect sensitive gums from overbrushing. 2-minute smart timer with quad pacer ensure dentist recommended brushing time. Brush head replacement reminder ensures your brush head is always effective. Long battery life with battery light indicator. 1 charge lasts for 2 weeks. Includes 1 Philips Sonicare 4100 handle, 1 optimal plaque control, C2 brush head, and 1 USB charger, wall adapter not included. SRG, test report, CIPS 918151, 2021. Number 3. Oral-B Pro 1000 CrossAction Electric Toothbrush, Black. About this item. Clinically proven superior 3D cleaning oscillates and pulsates to break up and remove up to 300% more plaque along the gum line than a regular manual toothbrush. The pressure sensor stops the pulsation movement if you brush too hard, and the handle timer helps you brush for a dentist recommended 2 minutes. 1 mode, daily clean, rotates to break up and sweep away plaque. Included in pack, 1 Oral-B professional handle, 1 CrossAction brush head and 1 charger. Compatible with the following replacement toothbrush heads: CrossAction, 3D white, sensitive clean, precision clean, floss action, deep sweep, ortho and dual clean. Does not fit EO brush heads. Packaging may vary. Refill color may vary. Number 4. Philips Sonicare Genuine C2 Optimal Plaque Control Toothbrush Heads, 3 brush heads, white, HX902365. About this item. Genuine Philips Sonicare Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush Replacement Heads compatible with all Philips Sonicare click-on rechargeable toothbrush handles. Number 1 recommended power toothbrush brand by dental professionals. Up to 7x more plaque removal versus a manual toothbrush. Power tip targets plaque along the gum line. Size. Standard bristle stiffness. Medium. Brush sync mode pairing and replacement reminders when used with a brush sync compatible handle. Diamond Clean Smarter Protective Clean. Number 5. Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush ADA Accepted Electric Toothbrush 8 brush heads and travel case ultrasonic motor and wireless. Charging 4 modes W Smart Timer Sonic Electric. About this item. 40,000 VPM Smart Toothbrush Beauty, Brains and Power. The Black Series is a world-class modern electric toothbrush packed with the most up-to-date technology. It features an ultra-powerful and industry-leading motor producing 40,000 vibrations per minute. Lithium-ion battery, ultra-fast wireless charging, 4-mode operation, smart vibration timers, 8 DuPont engineered brush heads and bristles, and a custom travel case, all with a sleek ultra-slim, lightweight and IPX7 rated waterproof design, accepted by the American Dental Association, ADA, Council on Scientific Affairs. We put our money where your mouth is. Investing in premium oral care technologies has earned the Black Series the prestigious ADA seal of approval. It has shown efficacy in removing plaque and helping to prevent and reduce gingivitis. Black Series goes beyond just cleaning teeth. It provides complete oral care with unique modes that include 1 for whitening and polishing teeth, and 1 for improving gum health. Before leaving, please like the video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the latest video notification. Thanks for watching.